Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Namal here, and in this video we're going to do a speed test comparison of the ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M2 with the Honor 8X. So these two devices have completely different UI. We had the stock-like UI on the ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M2, while we have the EMUI 8.2 on the Honor 8X. Both are powered by a pretty good powerful chipset. We have the Snapdragon 660 on the Max Pro M2, while we have the Kirin 710 on the Honor 8X. Now both are running on Android 8.1 and both have 4GB RAM. So let's do a speed test and see which is faster. So in the first round we'll open the apps one by one and see the total time taken. In the second round we'll see which all apps are retained in the memory on both these devices, and in the final round we'll open the apps side by side to see the performance. So let's get started. So in the first round you can see that the Zenfone Max Pro M2 has completed it in just 1 minute and 16 seconds. That's pretty good time, and you can see that the Honor 8X has completed the first round in 1 minute and 21 seconds. That's almost 5 seconds slower than the Max Pro M2, and the games loaded a bit slower on the Honor 8X. So here you can see that the Zenfone Max Pro M2 has retained all the apps in the memory, and it completed the second round in just 28 seconds. That's really impressive performance, and you can see that all the apps were retained and it just took 28 seconds. On the other hand, you can see that on the Honor 8X a lot of apps did reload, and also both the games were reloaded, and the total time taken to reload, to get the apps from the background is almost 1 minute and 9 seconds on the Honor 8X. So that's a pretty high time compared to the ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M2. You can see that the Honor 8X gaming, retrieving of games or opening of games is a bit slower because the GPU is a bit more powerful on the Snapdragon 660 powered Zenfone Max Pro M2. So total time taken by these two devices is 1 minute and 44 seconds on the Zenfone Max Pro M2, while it's 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the Honor 8X. So memory management is really good on the Zenfone Max Pro M2. Now let's do the test side by side to see how the performance is. So now we've cleared off all the apps from the background on both these devices. So let's open the app side by side. First step, Asphalt 9. So here you can see that the Zenfone Max Pro M2 was faster with the Asphalt 9. Let's go to the next game, Temple Run. Again you can see the Zenfone Max Pro M2 was faster here. Let's open Play Store. So this here you can see that the Honor 8X was a tad faster. Facebook, again Honor 8X was faster. Let's go to Twitter. Again Honor 8X was faster. Now let's open Ghana. So almost same performance. Now let's open Flipkart. So almost similar performance. Let's go to Amazon. You can see that the Max Pro M2 was faster. Let's open the settings. You can see again Max Pro M2 was faster. File manager, again Max Pro M2 was faster. Maps, here you can see that the Honor 8X was a tad faster. Let's go to Gmail. Again Honor 8X was faster. Let's open YouTube. Again here you can see the Max Pro M2 was faster. So almost you can see that performance wise it's almost neck to neck, except for the games where the Zenfone Max Pro M2 was a bit faster. But when it comes to memory management, that's where the Honor 8X is not that great. With EMUI, it is not able to retain the apps, especially the games and few other apps, while the Zenfone Max Pro M2 was able to retain all the apps. That's pretty impressive performance. So that was a speedtest comparison of the Max Pro M2 with the Honor 8X. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Number signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.